This is week one graded assignment one of MLOps course. The assignment objective of this week is setting up of the Vertex AI ML pipeline, demonstrating which was demonstrated in the lecture by professor. And this pipeline will be the basis for incorporating more features and tools in the upcoming weeks. For this, first I have created a bucket named week one MLOps and my roll number. And After this, I have set up Vertex AI Workbench by enabling the Vertex AI Workbench API. Here's the instance details. So the zone is US Central 1A, and the machine type which I'm using for this assignment is E2 Standard 2, which uses 8 GB RAM and 2 vCPUs. Now I'm not using any GPU, and here is the all the details when this instance was created. And in the hardware, I'm using the data disk size of 100 GB and boot disk size of 150 GB, and the machine type is of E2. And here's the pricing summary. And When we go in the software and security, we can see that the external IP is enabled and real-time collaboration is disabled. And Similarly, the time of inactivity before shutdown is 60 minutes, as was demonstrated by the professor in the lecture. And Rest other details I have left it as it is. System health reporting is enabled, which we can also monitor and diagnose if any problem occurs in our instance. Let's move on to the Jupyter notebook. So over here, you can see that first I have installed the Vertex AI SDK for Python and other required packages, which is needed for this particular assignment. And then I have set up the Google Cloud project information with my project ID, which is Velvety Root 3. And then I'm creating a cloud storage bucket over here with the bucket URI of which by which I created a bucket already. So this code here, it creates a bucket if the bucket doesn't exist. As I have created the week one MLOps bucket already, so here it is showing service exception, a cloud storage bucket with this name already exists. And then here I'm initializing the Vertex AI SDK for Python, which incorporates project ID and location and bucket URI. And Here importing all the required libraries, and the configuration resource names I have left it as it is. This was there in the resource notebook which was provided to us in the week one. And here is a simple decision tree model, and it is reading the data from the uh, data folder which I have created, and I have provided here the iris.csv data which was given as the reference data. And then coming over here, I have uh, done the train test split with a test size of 40% and train size of 60%. And then here I'm getting the accuracy of decision tree as 98.3%. And then after doing this, I'm uh, exporting the model as joblib, and it is getting stored over here in the artifacts folder as the model.joblib. And After that, I have uploaded the model artifacts uh, in the cloud bucket which I have created. So when we go over here in the buckets, we can see that uh, a folder named my models is already created, and inside that, uh, in the iris classifier week one, we can see that model job lib is present. So that's all for week one assignment. Thank you.